I'm the Provincial Marketing and Communications Officer with Zimbabwe National Family Planning Council, Manekaland. And you have asked about the abuse of some contraceptives by the young women or young people outside there. Yes, it's happening with some young people. There is the abuse of the emergency contraception, which some people, they call it the morning after. The young people, they would want to have sex throughout the night, then tomorrow they take this tablet as a morning after pill. We are encouraging the young people to use the regular contraceptives. We are saying this one is an emergency contraception. So it has to be taken in emergency cases. You can't have an emergency on a daily basis, my friend. So meaning to say it has a high dosage in terms of the drug component that is there. So taking it routinely or maybe daily, it would also have some side effects or some challenges in the long run. So we encourage the young people, if they want to prevent pregnancy, they need to use regular contraceptives that are available, but quite a number of them. This one needs to be taken in emergency cases. So, but then also with those regular contraceptives again, the young people, they also abuse those ones again. There are some who would say, I don't want to go on period. So would want to use an overdose of other contraceptives. Like recently, I've been moving around some pharmacies, and they are also saying there's some young people that are coming asking for tablets that would also stop their menses. And also some are even using a condom. Instead of taking one, they take two or more. They are saying it's working. They are doing the experiments as young people. But we are saying this is an abuse of contraception. So we encourage the young people, or even any woman outside there, to make use of the regular dosage that is required, or the standard dosage that is required by the health service providers. And for tablets, it's just one a day, at the same time daily. And we are saying for emergencies, yes, the emergency contraception is there. And we encourage the young people not to have unwanted pregnancies. The emergency contraceptions are there, and also they need to be used in emergencies. Yes. So now, in addition to that, the young people, they need to know that when people have sex, there are two negative possibilities that can take place. The first one is pregnancy. The second one is an STI, sexually transmitted infections. So we are saying, yes, abusing this emergency contraception or taking it on daily dose is a daily dosage. Yes, it prevents pregnancy. But how about STIs? They need to know that we need to prevent STIs. They need to prevent STIs as well. Amongst all the other contraceptives, only the condom can save people from STIs if it is not abstinence or faithfulness. So that's my take on that.
Okay, but how about you as an organization? What have you been doing to distribute the condoms in maybe schools and?
Okay, in terms of schools, we don't distribute condoms in schools. We are saying the schools are areas of learning, and but people need to have information. They know the information, and they know where to take if they want to have the condoms or if they want to make use of other contraceptives. To those who are maybe sexually active, because amongst our young people, we have those who are non-sexual or not sexually active, and those who are sexually active, and also those who have had sex, and also they might have had some adverse effects, like maybe an unwanted pregnancy or maybe an STI or HIV infection. But we also have some who are indulging, but they haven't yet encountered any adverse effects of sexual indulgence. But we also give them information that there is also secondary abstinence, or they need to protect themselves. So within schools, we are not distributing condoms in schools, and our message to the students there, we say abstinence, abstinence. But we would say then, because we've got different kinds of young people outside there, to those who are active, they can use protection so that they also prevent STIs and also unwanted pregnancies as well. And also we are saying, Tendai, if you go to an army barrack or to a police camp, not every soldier is armed. The guns are kept in the armory and they are taken when it is necessary. So we are also saying schools, let schools be areas of learning. And when they need to have condoms or sexual activities, they know where to take the condoms. Because sometimes if we arm every soldier or every policeman within the police camp or soldier camp, they will shoot each other unnecessarily. So it has to be done, taken when they are necessary. Yes.
I think so.
So because we are saying there are young people who are drinking beer, there are young people who are smoking. So are we saying we should also take scards and kanozgaika kadoro kasupa tonoisawo pachikoro to let schools be areas of learning, places of learning. But kune avo vanozoti hedu taakudai izvi, but kuti isusu they should focus on their education first, career, then love, then marriage. But nevamwe nhire dzokuti uchamugoni, they need also to have access to my services. So okay, I can also prevent these problems if I want to engage. Yes.